the shit out you, fucking the shit out you for 7 days straight, and now I can't.
What's up, FSD gang? Y'all already know what it is. I'm Destiny, and this is
Faith,
and this is
Sincere,
and we are FSD for real. Alright, y'all, before we get into this video, I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe.
make sure y'all turn that post notification bell and get that thing a little clickety click, click, click.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, we got, babe, matter of fact, you tell them, babe.
Alright, y'all, so we basically out, but we decided to do a mukbang.
Yep.
Slash a who's most likely to.
Yeah, we playing who's most likely to.
Yeah, we got Sincere back here. Sincere, say hey. Come here.
Come here.
Hey.
Look.
Say hey.
Hey.
Give him a kiss.
Blow him a kiss. Look at him.
And mwah. Y'all don't mind it.
Alright, y'all, but yeah, we had Dream Wings. I don't know if y'all heard about that.
They probably. And we have a vlog that we're gonna post too. We're going to the park or whatnot, so we're gonna see y'all there.
Yeah, and we're gonna play the game during the mukbang.
Yeah, and all right, y'all. So we'll see y'all when we get our food, cause this is about to be good. Peace.
You did. I'm probably like, I don't want the food or something. I don't want the food. Yeah, that's a good one. Sin, that's a good one?
Sin, that's a
good one? Yes? Yes? That's a good one. Alright, y'all, so I'm just telling that I don't want the food. I'm not hungry, I'm not feeling it. Alright.
Whenever you get mad.
Alright. Alright, y'all, we back. We got our food.
Yes, indeed. This food hot, cause
you got it, baby?
See your ranch.
Yeah, you ready to see this? Y'all done had a ranch.
She got all flats, butter, lemon, pepper. Sincere eat our food.
Oh, babe, I want a Cajun. It's okay.
I told them.
Man, I don't want this shit, man.
What?
If it's not Cajun.
You want me to go get it?
Okay.
I'm aware.
I cannot fool her.
I'm aware.
How many times she gonna say I'm aware?
My eyes are open. I'm aware.
Oh, I'm gonna get her, y'all. Don't worry about it. It's okay. But y'all, this would have been the perfect one. I really got my food wrong. Well, it's not wrong. I just got seasoned fries.
Here you guys go. Yummy.
Says hey.
Oh,
Lord.
you okay, baby? It's just hot. Yeah, baby.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Say your grace.
Thank you, baby. Actually, I didn't. I need to.
Alright, it's gonna be hot.
Hot.
He wanna be so fast all the time, y'all.
Yeah, hot. I know, baby.
Hot.
Blow. Good job. Okay.
Alright, but you ready to get to the game and stuff?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we probably about to start the game whenever my baby get ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
We hungry, man.
It so good.
Y'all, all I eat is flats. And it gotta be lemon pepper. But this one got butter on it.
I got honey buffalo. Blow.
When I eat something,
son. It's hot.
you bought napkins, baby?
Yeah.
It's right there. Y'all, when I eat something, I stick to it. I don't really like to change.
She really don't. I do.
I don't change up.
Alright, you ready to play the game?
Yes, I'm ready to play your game.
Alright?
Cause this is about to be your game, cause everything is you.
No, everything is you. Everything is you, actually. Roll up the window so, just in case y'all can't hear me. Okay, first question is, who's most likely to forget an anniversary?
Probably me. What about you, babe?
Yeah.
You
I'm sorry, y'all.
or me?
You. I think you'll forget an anniversary faster than I will.
Yeah. But
not
just
good
so
with
happened I
dates.
haven't forgot one.
Yeah, with me.
Of course.
But sometimes you act like you don't know when my birthday is.
Oh, y'all, she got a couple of screenshots that she found online.
Yeah, that's what we get in the questions, Go ahead.
Y'all, he's starting to learn how to talk.
Yeah.
He's starting. He just turned 2 March the 9th. So the doctor said he's not late. We're gonna give it to 2.5. But he's starting to
said
talk.
don't rush it.
He said don't rush it.
Yep.
But
Another question. Who's most likely to send a dirty text to the wrong person?
Faith,
I think I am too.
see?
On an accident. What?
And then they expose you, side.
Heck no.
Okay.
3. Who's most likely to forget why they walked into a room? Both of us.
Both of us. Hey,
I'll walk in
Faith,
the room and be like,
what I
wait.
came in here to get?
Exactly. Who's most likely to flirt with the server at a restaurant? Nobody. Bet not be. I'm for real.
Nobody. That's
You-
disrespectful.
Yeah, it is. Especially in front of your spouse's face.
Very disrespectful.
5. Who's most likely to embarrass the other person while
Babe,
drunk?
will you wipe his hands?
Going in with these fries.
Yeah, he going in with that wrench. I'm gonna get you to read that question again.
Okay. Who's most likely to embarrass the other person while drunk?
Faith.
How?
She be crying. You be crying, babe.
Yeah, I know.
She be crying all over the place. I have to hold her. She don't even know why she
I
crying.
got a low tolerance.
Yeah, we'll get it, baby.
Who's most likely to get cold feet on our wedding day?
Probably me.
Destiny.
See, y'all, this game not fair. She know me so well.
Yeah, I really do. I think you will though. To be honest. Who's most likely to post a kissing picture on their Instagram? You. You'll post us kissing faster
Oh
than
yeah, I will.
Yeah.
Cause I don't care.
I keep them in my phone.
Yeah, she just keep them.
Who's most likely to buy the other person a gift they hate? Me?
Faith.
Because sometimes you don't like my gifts.
But I accept them because I love you, baby.
I know, baby. Alright.
Got that good old Sprite, huh?
Who's most likely to orgasm first?
Faith. She a freak, y'all.
Shut up!
And then again and again and again.
Why would you say that?
I'm sorry, baby. I'm just trying to tell the people. Comment down below if y'all want a kissing challenge.
Yeah, we'll do that for y'all.
Subscribe. Tell a friend. Oh, babe. Next.
Who's most likely to use hall pass to sleep with a celebrity of their choice? Wait, what?
Nobody. Bet not.
Nobody. Bet not. Nicki Minaj. Cardi B.
Cardi B.
What?
I don't like Nicki Minaj no more.
No, I'm saying like what?
Not like that, baby.
I'm going in. Fry.
She going in.
I wish I had a straw phone.
You look and say I'm a big boy.
Okay, another question.
Say I'm a big boy.
Y'all really are so good.
Yeah, it is good, y'all.
Especially when they fry it super hard. Oh,
Not super hard,
These-
babe.
Babe, these gotta be fried super hard for me. For me to eat them.
Not crispy.
I want it done all the way in the inside.
Why you hitting me?
Okay, who's most likely to bring a sex toy into the bedroom? Me. Yeah, let's get it on. It's like, I'm just playing.
You're a freak.
Who's most likely to be caught watching porn? Well, would you? But you don't really watch porn, but if you do.
I don't watch porn, but I think I get caught because I never do.
Right. Me neither. Who's most likely to get arrested?
I had that like this because I said, when you said, I said I never do. Sorry. Who's most likely to get arrested?
Yeah.
Me.
Yup.
Me.
Obstruction of peace.
Oh, babe, don't say that.
I'm just kidding. I'm just playing. Okay. Who's most likely to initiate sex? Destiny.
Oh, come on, babe.
What? Come here.
But
French mouth.
if she tipsy, y'all, that's a wrap.
Oh my God. Why you gonna tell them that?
It's true.
Almost true. Same.
All right, next question, baby.
Okay, next question is, who's most likely to curse in front of a child?
Both of us.
Both of them.
We don't condone it.
Who's most likely
We
to?
don't want it.
You said what?
We don't want
We
him
don't
curse.
condone it, right?
He used to say shit back in the day, like when he just turned 1 or something like that.
Yeah.
But he don't say it no more. He just walk around the house. Shit. Shit. Shit.
Don't say it.
No, now he'll repeat you.
Ryan, who's most likely to write a love poem?
Me.
You.
See, y'all, it's not fair because she know me.
Babe, I know you too good. Too good.
That's why we together. For 5 years.
You know how to hold it, don't let out there.
Wipe his hands on this. Please, baby. You don't have to wipe his hands because his mouth.
Come here.
Y'all, everybody come get wings from here.
Yeah. Calling in. Baby. Come. We've been waiting for a while. Elbow. Well, their wings fire though. Okay. Who's most likely to take a nap in the middle of the day? Destiny. Love you a
I
nap.
love naps.
I love nap.
I'm a nap taker.
Yeah. Serious.
Sincere.
nap taker. Love naps.
Love them, love them, love them. Who's most likely to stay up during all day?
Me.
She love to be up and like if I'm asleep, babe, wake up. Wake up.
What? Time to get up. Let's go. Let's get it going.
Babe. Never mind.
Baby, can do that for me.
I got it.
Who's most likely to cry over a sad movie? Me. Crying. What about you, babe? You too?
Me too.
You be in your feelings. But it gotta be like ridiculously sad.
Yeah, I get in my feelings quick.
Okay. Who's most likely to sing along to a pop song on the radio? Hey, hey, hey. Me.
Mm-hmm. Sincere. Come here. Sit down.
Who's most likely to quit their job on impulse? In the heat of the moment?
Me. I figured that's what that meant.
Yeah. You? You would do that, baby? I think so too.
Well, I gotta think about my family.
And think about you too at home, baby.
I know.
Good. These wings good.
Mm-hmm.
And the fries. Cajun fries.
Wipe your mouth. Why you gonna wipe it on me?
Wipe your mouth, baby. Good job.
Good job. Wipe my mouth.
Wipe mommy mouth. Good job. This thing say, who's most likely to laugh during the funeral? Not sure, not me. I'd be boo-hoo crying. Boo-hoo crying. Who's most likely to get on top during sex?
My baby.
What?
You.
Me? You thought you'd be on top. Sorry.
Oh, now you cracking
Nah, I'm
jokes.
just playing. I'm just playing.
Yo, she cracking jokes now.
Uh-huh.
You got on top with the
You do
legs
not-
open.
Girl, bye.
See, he got the soda.
Just gulping it.
Yeah, see how sneaky he is now.
Yeah, she wants some dream wings before she go. Who's most likely to forget their vows on our wedding day? Destiny. You don't think so, babe?
No, baby. Hey, you don't, cuz. You don't know me after all.
Who's most likely to bring home a stray puppy? Destiny.
Sincere?
Destiny.
Sorry, a stray
be-
puppy?
A stray puppy.
Man,
One dog.
a puppy, yeah.
Yeah, not a stray dog. I wouldn't even touch a stray dog. If they let you.
I'm getting full, baby.
You are?
Yeah,
I am too, but it's so good.
that's what I'm saying.
Like, the pizza's crunching on my wings.
Got any more?
Who's most likely to pick a crappy movie to watch?
Neither one, because I watch the same movie over and over. But Faith,
Exactly.
she good at picking good movies.
Yep.
She good at that shit.
Who's most likely to cheat?
Nobody.
If we was with somebody else, who's most likely to cheat?
Look at your chair.
If we was with somebody
Look at your
else.
What's
Who's
his
most-
face right there?
Mm.
Right there.
Let me see. Come here, Sam. Let me see you.
She must call her food in because she know her mama don't play that. Way early.
Man. Probably.
Nah, she probably asked. She's an honor student. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So you got another one, baby?
Oh, babe. We're gonna put up a part 2 for him.
A part 2. Dang, this is a real mukbang. A little baby burp.
Baby bird.
But y'all, we're gonna put up a part 2.
Yeah, part 2 is coming for y'all.
Comment down below. Comment down below. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all tell a friend.
Y'all good? We good. Peace.
My own and good by myself. I never needed no help. I needed you niggas. You wasn't right there. If you need me, little nigga, I'm still gonna be here. My vision was brave.